Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video you will learn how to create this beautiful hand embroidery kurti neckline design. It has two color flowers, a blue color leaf and also beadwork. Initially wind the fabric in the frame like this. We used three color rayon threads for the flowers and leaves. Initially mark 15 inches from the rightmost portion like this. Also mark 15-inch from the other side. Then place the sketch of the design corresponding to the markings we have done like this, by keeping the center portion in the marking and using chalk powder mixed with turpentine. You can apply on the sketch. The sketch has already pricked pinning. You already done pinning, and thereby you can apply the solution over it. The design will plotted on the fabric. After a few seconds it will be like this. You can see the design over the fabric, and thereby we can begin the design. We can begin the handwork. Initially we are doing bullion stitch flowers. We are completing the bullion stitch flowers. Before that I will show you the one area completely by creating the bullion flowers, then ring knot flowers, and also the leaves. How to create the leaves. You all know how to create these bullion flowers. We have tutorials here. You can watch the tutorials for creating bullion flowers. The method why we are creating bullion flowers. 3 bullion flowers should initially create like this. Initially we are doing the outer circle of each flowers. Yeah, now completing this inner area using the magenta thread. Like this we have to fill the inner area. Yes, it's a beautiful design. You can try this bullion flowers in your design. It's the most attractive flowers. Look like a rose. Yes, inner area is going to finish. After that we will do the ring knot flowers also. We are having two type of flowers in this design. One is this bullion stitch flower, another one is a ring knot flower. I'll show you how to create ring knot flower. Here is tutorials also in our channel to learn ring knot, how to do ring knot flowers. You can go through that tutorials. Yes, now going to begin a ring knot. Started doing ring knot flowers. Yes, this is ring knots. We have to complete the outer layer, then one more layer, and inside we will do French knot. We will do yellow color French knot inside the ring knot flower. Initially do the outermost circle, then we have to do the inner circle. After that, fill the inner area using the French knots. Yes, two layers of ring knot circle has been done. There is small area inside in the middle area of that flower. We have to fill that area using French knot. Yeah, we are doing French knot. Yes, doing French knot to fill those area, the inner area of those flowers. Yes, like that you have to do. Looks so nice. It's a ring knot and French knot combination of. Yes, now we begin with leaf. It's normal type of stitching like this. You have to do. Yes, this is the way we are doing leaf and stem using the normal needle and 6 strands thread. Yes, please have a look how we creating this stem area and also leaves using blue rayon thread and normal needle. You can simply do this design. It's a beautiful hand embroidered design. You can try yourself. Yeah, please have a look how we are creating the leaf. Do like this and take needle inside through it, then tie there like this. The leaf is ready. Likewise, you have to do entire leaves, entire stem, and then entire flowers like this woolen stitch flower and ring knot flower, and thereby you can complete the design. Moreover, there is bead work and also sugar bead work, and the neck area we used bead along with sugar bead. A combination is used in the neck line. Please have a look. It's a beautiful design. Now we are doing thread work, leaf work, yes, this is the way we are creating leaves. Now this one side is over like this. We have to complete the entire design. These areas we have to complete like this. These areas you have to complete using woolen stitch flowers, ring knots, French knot, and also normal leaf threading. Leaf area once again. After that, yes, like this you have to do the leaves. After that we can go for woolen stitch flowers. We can do woolen stitch flowers, ring knots, yes. Now we are completing entire outer area, outer layer of the spring knot flower, woolen stitch flower. Yes, woolen stitch is doing. We can show you the entire design process. It will take 5+ hours and it will be very boring to show the entire process. You know how to create the woolen stitch flower, ring knot flowers, and also the leaf work using normal needle. And after that, we will show you how to do bead work. We are using iron needle to do this bead work and sugar bead work. That you need to know how to do beadwork using iron needle. If you don't know the iron needle, then you can use a normal needle also to do this beadwork. It's also so simple. Tie beads on the area wherever it is applicable. Okay, then woolen stitch outer layer is okay, completed. Then we are doing the inner magenta color. Design is on walking. Yeah, it's a beautiful design. Yellow and magenta combination is very attractive. Outer layer is yellow and inner layer is magenta. It's very attractive. We have to finish the inner area of the bullion stitch flower. After that, we can we can complete the ring knot flowers. After that, we can go for stitching the leaves. Then we can do the bead work. Likewise, we can complete the entire design. Yes, next we are going to finish bullion ring knot flowers. The same procedure, same process of making ring knot. You know how to create the ring knots flowers. Same process can do here. First finish the ring knots, then we can do inside French knot, yellow color French knot inside the flower. Leaf work is also simple to study. We are using just a normal needle to do that type of leaves. Ring knot is almost going to finish. For that, yeah, it looks very nice. The design looks very nice. Now you can finish the leaf. Finish leaf area. Now the same type of threads are used to finish the leaf and stem area. It's so simple to create this type of leaves. Leaf work is going on. This is simple work and you can learn it very quickly and you can try your own design. non-stitching. This type of floral work, contrast color floral works are now very fast moving. Hope all you like this color combination. It's a beautiful hand embroidery design. Okay, now we can do French knot inside the ring knot flower. I already showed you initially how to do this French knot inside the leaf. Now as quickly as possible I will finish this design. Yeah, now we are doing the bead work in the neck area. Finished it. And also we have to do the bead work using the ARRI needle in the neck area. Each side of the leaves and flowers, you have to do the bead work on each side of the leaves and also the flowers, and fill the gaps like using this off-white bead. And after that we can use the same color, same fabric color sugar bead to fill the remaining gap areas of the design. Yeah, we are using the same color sugar beads to fill the remaining gap areas. It's also using ARRI needle. We are stitching that beads. It's so simple to use this ARRI needle. If you are using normal needle, it will take some more time to do this type of bead work. If you are using the ARRI bead needle, it will be very easy to do the sugar bead works. Once we finish the sugar bead work, we will do the one ARRI stitching on the neck area, and thereby we will finish the entire process. Yes, we are doing the ARRI stitching. One ARRI stitching using the ARRI needle. This is the ARRI stitching. ARRI stitching we are using. We have to complete the entire neck outer portion using an ARRI stitching, because we are doing this stitch in order to maintain quality of the bead work, otherwise bead will break while stitching. So always do an ARRI stitch on the neck area like this. Now the design is completed. Okay guys, I hope all you enjoy this video and subscribe our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you guys, thank you.